Here's the Fed announcement, slow creep up. You can see that signal flashing there. Penetration signal.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's September 19th, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. The BOJ held rates at 0.50%, but surprised with plans to unwind ETF and J-REIT holdings, pressuring JGBs. European equities trade mostly higher, while US futures sit flat. The dollar extends its rally. Sterling lags on grim UK borrowing data, weighing on gilts. USTs soften ahead of Fed speakers, oil retreats, and gold firms as traders watch Canadian retail sales, quad witching, and a Trump-Xi call later today. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Starting with the currency pairs, Aussie US dollar. Let's make that big. And what you see in here is a slow creep down ever since the Fed made its announcement. We have a support penetration signal, and I put these little arrows on because that is the direction that I would take this trade. I would put my stop loss right under here and set my profit target up here somewhere. So that is what I believe will happen with that instrument today. Moving on to the next one here. This is US Canadian dollar. Same thing pretty much. Here's the Fed announcement, slow creep up. You can see that signal flashing there. Penetration signal for overhead resistance. My forecast is down, so the trade is like this. You would put a stop loss right around here somewhere and then set your profit target down somewhere in this area. Next is US Chief. These are all pretty easy to understand today. Let's call it the Fed signal, creep up. This is the only one that I would be a wee bit.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
More careful on because we actually have penetrated through overhead resistance, so this still may climb a little bit before it does a U-turn. So on this one, the ultimate trade is going to be to the downside, but I would just hold off on it a little bit. That is what I would do there. And last but not least, pound US dollar. Same situation as the one before. Fed signal, big move down. We have penetrated support. The trade will inevitably be up, but right now I would just hold. The only other thing I wanted to point out was I did take those volume spike signals away, the visual indicators of them, and I replaced them with color. So this gray, this gray color means it's going to the downside, and this lime green color means it's volume to the upside. I just think it makes for a much less cluttered screen and it's easy to understand. So just a note there. So these little triangles, those indicate when you've penetrated either support or resistance. It's detected by the AI. So those won't fire until you make it at least that far into one of them. Yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on today. Have a great weekend. Over and out.